Now that our create product is working, let's work on editing a product. We will copy what we have for product create, paste it one more time. We'll change this to product edit, and we have product edit. One thing that will be different in product edit is right here. We will be retrieving a product ID. Based on that product ID, we have to fetch that product and display that in our view. So we can copy these three lines from the top, paste it here. We will be calling the getProductById async, and we will be passing the product ID right here. If the response is successful, we have to deserialize that as well. So we did that inside the getAction method for getAll. Let me copy this, and we will paste it right here. We will deserialize this to a product DTO. Let me call this as model. And when you deserialize, you do not need a list. It will only be one object. If everything is successful, you return back to the view with the model that you retrieved. If it is not successful, we can just return not found. So edit getAction method looks good. Then we have the product edit, which is the postAction method. Rather than create product async, we will be calling the update product async with the product DTO. Everything else stays the same. That being said, we'll copy this name, and we have to create the view, add view, empty view. Let's add this. Now this view will be exactly same as create. So we can go to product create, copy everything, and paste everything right here. One thing that will be different is we will have an input tag with ASP4. This will be product ID, and this will be hidden because we do not want to display that, but when we post the data, we want that product ID. Rather than product create, this will go to the product edit action method, and where we have button with the value of create, we will say edit, or we can say update. Let's run our application and try this out. Whenever you run, you can see the API is running in the back end. Let's go to product here, and let's try to edit the new product that we created. We run into an error message. Let's examine what's there in the product controller. We have product edit with the product ID. The action name is product edit, but we have edit product. So that's the issue. While it's running, we can just go back to the index page, and we scroll down right here. We have product edit, and we have product delete. I know edit product makes much more sense, but that's the name that we have used. If you want, you can change that, but I won't go into that right now. And let's try to edit. Perfect. Let me change this and see if it works. Great, you can see it is updated successfully.